Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Vehicle Program. It's the smart choice.